Put the car up in the lift here. You can see where my exhaust was scraping. So I had to run all new exhaust pipe. It's kind of a chore. And then I gotta drop this cross member down. Fill that in so it's not open. Drop it down so it goes straight underneath. Fill that. Make it look nice again. Same on this side. This side was worse. Brake booster, master cylinder in the way. Transmission linkage. So this pipe, to get that out, you gotta cut the collector off. That collector flange right here. It's not very nice, but turned out good. Just tight areas